Place that bright yellow mask over your kisser and your sniffer, securing it behind your head with the elastic strap, and pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. Breathe normally and do not remove your mask until flight attendant says it's okay. And just to note that even though oxygen is flowing, that plastic bag may not inflate, however that is perfectly normal. And for any of our guests that are traveling with little WestJetters or anyone who may require assistance, we just ask that you put your own mask on prior to assisting others. Now here's where we're going to ask for your participation. If you can look down at your toes, make sure all your carry-on items are crammed and jammed underneath that seat in front of you. Your seat backs and your tray tables are in the full and upright lock position. And you adhere to the passenger information sign located in the console above your head. That is the no smoking and the seatbelt sign. Just sit back, relax while we do our WestJet best to give you a most enjoyable 1 hour, 8-minute flight over to Abbotsford. If you do have any questions or concerns regarding this flight, please do not hesitate to ask any one of us. We are here for your comfort, but most importantly, your safety. And these two lovely ladies are going to do this one more time for you en passé, and we should be up and on our way. Thank you very much for your attention and enjoy your flight.